Ted is a comedy film directed by Seth MacFarlane, who also provides the voice for the titular character. The story revolves around John Bennett, a lonely boy who wishes for his teddy bear to come to life and be his friend forever. His wish comes true, and Ted becomes a living, breathing, talking bear. Years later, as an adult, John, played by Mark Wahlberg, still lives with Ted, who has become somewhat of a celebrity, but now leads a life of debauchery. John's girlfriend, Lori, played by Mila Kunis, is supportive but increasingly frustrated with Ted's influence on John's life. She wants John to grow up and move forward in their relationship. The plot follows the trio as they navigate through various humorous and chaotic situations, dealing with Ted's mischievous behavior, a crazed fan who wants to kidnap Ted, and John's struggle to balance his friendship with Ted and his relationship with Lori. The film explores themes of friendship, growing up, and letting go, all while delivering... What? Huh? Oh, I see. That's embarrassing. Sorry, everyone. I seem to have misunderstood what today was about.